Hey, this is Chris Mogard, Chief Marketing Officer with the Wall Street Realty Team, brokered by eXp. And if you're looking to buy in Fargo, one of the smartest things you can learn to do is to check specials on a property for yourself. A lot of buyers hear the word special assessments and instantly think it means some hidden surprise. But the truth is, Fargo gives you a very straightforward way to look that information up. The city's Fargo Parcels site lets you search by address or parcel number. And once you pull up a property, you can see things like appraised values for tax purposes and special assessments. Now, appraised values for taxes aren't the same as what the home is actually worth on the market, but we'll get into that in a later video. Now, if you need more detail on the special assessments like balance remaining, annual installment, work in progress, or payoff information, the city also has an online special assessment form. So here's the simple version. Go to Fargo Parcels, type in part of the address, pull up the right property, and review the assessment information tied to it. And when you do, don't just ask, are there specials? Ask, what kind of specials are here? What's the remaining balance? And what could that mean for me month to month or year to year? Because that is the part that really impacts your budget. This is where a lot of buyers get tripped up. Specials aren't the same thing as property taxes. They're separate. And understanding that difference can save you a lot of confusion. So if you're buying in Fargo, don't skip this step. Look at the property, review the special assessments, and make sure you're understanding what you're seeing early on. Now, new special assessments are always possible, but arming yourself with as much knowledge as you can gives you real power in the market. And if you'd rather not sort through it all alone, our team is always here to help. If there is a property you're considering, send it over and one of our licensed agents can help review the specials with you and talk through what they may mean for your situation before you make an offer.
One more quick note before I wrap up. If you're searching in West Fargo or Moorhead, the process is similar, but you'll use a different public property tool. West Fargo uses the City of West Fargo Public Information Tool, and Moorhead uses Clay County's Property Information Search. So the idea is the same, but the site depends on the city, and we'll have those right on screen for you here.
And if you ever need any other help, the Wall Street Realty Team's doors are always open.